What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, the Ethereum price, as you can see on the 1 hourly chart, we might be creating this huge bump and run pattern. We are hitting this resistance point at the $2,320 levels, okay? If we break this resistance with a decent amount of volume, guys, it is time to go to the upside. We'll be checking out some different levels. We might turn over though from here, but if we break this resistance, I'm going to show you the targets. We'll be checking out Bitcoin also consolidating around the 53 and the 57,000 range. We'll be checking out some different levels and trading opportunities. And if you are interested in trading, guys, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. If you use my link in the description, you can get up to 50% in addition of what you deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. My favorite day trading platform for margin trading. And Bybit has an insane bonus you can apply for now, up to $1,610 in bonuses, guys, if you use my link in the description. I got all the information also here so you can check it out, so you can get this bonus. Okay, guys, so make sure to apply for this bonus, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Bitcoin Cash also looking extremely bullish in my opinion. There are two scenarios here. If we come all the way up here to this resistance point and break it, guys, it is going to be extremely bullish. I'm going to show you some different levels, but if we come all the way down and retest this support, guys, it is danger. If we break to the downside, I'm going to show you some different levels here for Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash can be traded on Bybit, guys, so you know the deal. If you're interested, link in the description. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart here for the Ethereum price. We've been talking about these different levels and this possible scenario now for the last coming days. We can see that we've kind of created a double bottom pattern, all right, but this resistance point, okay, doesn't coincidence with any other resistance, okay? So this might roll over and come and retest this support level round over here where we had major resistance point. But my bullish scenario, as I showed you in the intro, is this huge bump and run pattern, okay? We can see the major support that this level has had. This is the $2,320 range, okay? Major support right there. We had a little bit of resistance before breaking, and then it turned into major support level. So this is an important level, okay? Now we are struggling to get above it, but it's also meeting with this trend line over here, okay, which is to the downside, and we can see we are struggling to get above it right over here. So now the scenario here would be breaking the $2,320 range with a decent amount of volume, okay, right over here. We are expecting a breakout from here. We might consolidate for a little while and then break to the upside, okay, with a decent amount of volume. Very important, guys. Now, we can see the bump and run scenario here, and the measured move from the bump and run would be getting the lower part, okay. I'm not going to count this wick. We're going to count this lower part from this huge crash that we had in the last couple of days and to the resistance point. All right, and from the breakout, depending if we're going to break out in between today and tomorrow, if this happens, we're potentially breaking out in the next couple of days. Let's just say we're going to break out in the next coming hours in between today and tomorrow. The measured move here would be coming all the way to the $2,640 range, okay. We can expect this breakout and this move for Ethereum. So we might break out from here and then retest the support area around the 2,320, or even come lower and then continue to the upside. I see many of these patterns breaking out, everybody going extremely bullish, and then we have a huge retracement, and then everybody freaks out and gets out of the trade or gets stopped out because they put their stop loss further up, and then we have the bounce and then continue to the upside. So this is the possible scenario that I see for Ethereum. Now, if we do not break this resistance point, very likely that we're going to come back down and retest this support level, okay, which has been major resistance right over here in the past, and then coming all the way down to retest this support area. This is going to be the last support level, okay? Because if we break the support level, as you can see, we retested it many times, okay? This is the around the $2,090 levels. If we break this level, as you can see, we are creating lower highs. So we are creating this descending triangle, okay? The lower highs right over here, right over here. So now another retest of this right over here at the $2,090 range, potentially coming all the way back up and retesting here, making another lower high. And if we break this support level, guys, well, the measured move for this breakout of this descending triangle would be getting the back of the triangle, okay, all the way down to the support level. And if we break the support around the $2,090 range, we could even come down to the $1,660 area. I mean, this is the insane bearish scenario. I don't think that we would come all the way down there, because we have some different support levels, okay, before we actually go to that area. Okay, so this is what I got for Ethereum. Okay, major resistance point. If we break $2,320 range, it is time to play some longs all the way up to 2,600, guys. So this is what I got for Ethereum. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin here on the 1 hourly chart, consolidating around the 53 and the $57,000 area. As you can see, you could potentially say that this is a bear flag, but it's already getting too extended. Okay, you usually want to see from the pole the bear flag, and then, you know, potential breakout. On this time frame, it looks like that this bear flag is getting overextended, so it might be invalid. We were talking about this potential double bottom pattern also. So the major resistance point that we need to break out is the $57,300 area. Okay, the next point, if we break this resistance point, in my opinion, would be coming all the way just below the $60,000 range, which would be about the 59,800. This is also going to meet with this downtrend channel resistance, okay, right over here, like we were talking in the last few days. Okay, we've got this resistance point here, here, and here. Okay, so if we break in between today and tomorrow, you know, we'll be hitting this resistance point, also the $60,000 range, and this line over here, this white line here, is the support area from this huge ascending wedge. Okay, so there is a lot of resistance. This breakout from this potential double bottom pattern needs to come with a lot of volume, because we are going to get rejected in between the 59 and the $60,500 range right over here. We have a cluster of resistance. The bearish scenario would be, you know, breaking this support level, which is at the 53,500. If we break this level down over here, and we do count this as a potential bear flag, well, guys, we could come as low as the bottom of this ascending wedge, okay, which would be the $42,000 range. Okay, but we are, the first support level would be this one right over here at the $51,000. Okay, right over here, as you can see, that's major support. It has been major resistance right over here, major support right over here, and we did actually touch it with this and wicked right down to the $51,800 range. So if we break this support at the 53,500, first target would be here, and then if we break this, we are potentially going to have a big crash all the way down to the $43,000 area. Okay, this is what I got. I'm going to remain bullish. Let's see if this holds and we start breaking some major resistance like the $57,300 area. Okay, next move to the upside would be coming all the way to the $59,000 area. Okay, guys. Remember, guys, if you want to take advantage of this insane deposit bonus bash of $1,000, make sure to use the link in the description. I've got all the information so you can get this bonus. Make sure to check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will help you out. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is looking, it's very hard to say bullish or bearish in this case. We can see that we broke out from this like descending triangle to the upside. Not a huge amount of volume, but it looks all right in my opinion. Now, I was looking at this as a potential Adam and Eve pattern, okay, a potential double bottom Adam and Eve pattern, all right, because we got this spike over here, no, and creating this resistance point. As you can see, there's a resistance area right over here, another one right over here, and now we were creating this other round part of the Adam and Eve, okay, this would be the Eve, creating this double bottom pattern. But it looks like we want to kind of come down and retest the support level. We could still, remain around this area and still continue to the upside. And this would still be valid, okay, as an Adam and Eve double bottom. And now the critical point is this resistance, okay, for the Bitcoin Cash price, the $1,050 range, okay. If we break this resistance point right over here, okay, we can see major resistance, and and resistance right over here. If we manage to break this to the upside, well, the measured move, okay, is getting the bottom, okay, to the resistance point of the Adam and Eve double bottom pattern, and from the breakout we could go all the way up to the $1,270 range approximately. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for the Bitcoin Cash price. Potentially, if we manage to not come all the way down here, this pattern will be invalid. We could still come down and then up and then down, and this would still be a kind of round formation being still valid. All right, if we come back down and retest the support area, guys, it is danger. Okay, we've been testing this support level now for 3 times. It is going to be the 4th attempt. As you can see right here, we have 1 attempt there, another one here, and now if we come down again, well, this is absolutely danger, guys, for the Bitcoin Cash price. This could still be as a descending triangle, okay, because we did break to the upside this descending triangle, but this this high over here was lower than this one, okay. So we did not. The important level here is this resistance point right over here. This level, okay. This price needs to go above this one right over here, so then we can continue to the upside. But we are creating lower highs, so it is looking bearish in the short term. This is the scenario I got for Bitcoin Cash, guys. If we break this support level, well, if we count this as a descending triangle, huge descending triangle, the same thing here for Bitcoin Cash. The resistance down to the support, and from the breakout, wow, this could take us all the way down to the $445 range. I do not think we're going to go this low. We have major support levels, okay, for the Bitcoin Cash price. First one being at the $730 range, where we have this massive consolidation phase, as you can see here on the chart, okay. The $730 range would be the major support level for Bitcoin Cash. We were consolidating here for over a week, as you can see here on the chart. So this will hold nicely as support. It's been major resistance. If we come all the way down here, this would be the first stop. If we break down here, yeah, we could potentially go to the $440 range because of the technical measured move. This is what I've got for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We have great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got price predictions, the latest technical analysis and news. So make sure to check out the website, guys. There's a link in the description. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXbt tutorial, make sure to check it out. There's a video popping up on your screen. Massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.